This is the injury on my arm. You can clearly see it. I've thrown it to the doctor.
Who injured you, Arnav?
It was Pradeep Patil and Sachin Vaze and 7 other policemen. They surrounded me. They held me by the scruff of my neck. They pushed me. I have come here, as you can see, without shoes here today.
Yes, you are without shoes.
I'm without shoes because
It's against a Supreme Court order.
they did not let me take down my shoes. I've been assaulted. I want the people of the country to know. Don't push me. Don't push me. I want the people of the country to know. This is the injury on my arm. You can clearly see it. I've thrown it to the doctor.
Who injured you, Arnav?
It was Pradeep Patil and Sachin Vaze and 7 other policemen. They surrounded me. They held me by the scruff of my neck. They pushed me. I have come here, as you can see, without shoes here today.
Yes, you are without shoes.
I'm without shoes because
It's against a Supreme Court order.
they did not let me take down my shoes. I've been assaulted. I want the people of the country to know. Don't push me. Don't push me. I want the people of the country to know.
होते 1000 बॉट्स होते आणि त्यामध्ये मुंबई पोलीस असेल परमवीर सिंग महाराष्ट्र सरकार यांची बदनामी करण्याचं जून ते ऑक्टोबरमध्ये काम झालं.
असं आहे की कायद्यापेक्षा कोणीही मोठं नाही आणि महाराष्ट्र पोलीस कायद्यानुसार योग्य ती कारवाई करेल.
सर अर्णब गोस्वामी
आणीबाणी असल्याचा आरोप भाजपकडनं होतोय. भाजपकडनं सरकारला
कानून से बड़ा कोई नहीं है और महाराष्ट्र पुलिस जो भी कानूनन कार्रवाई है कायदेशीर कार्रवाई है उस प्रकार से कानूनन कायदेशीर कार्रवाई करेगी.
केस बंद असताना परत रिओपन केली का?
हाँ रिओपन केली.
सर केस रिओपन केली का? केस रिओपन केली.
केस जी बंद झाली होती ती ज्या मिसेस नाईक होत्या त्यांनी कोर्टामध्ये अर्ज केला आणि त्यांनी 3 केस परत रिओपन करण्याची परवानगी कोर्टाने त्यांना दिली.
शांतपणे सांगून दरवाजाच्या बाहेर आम्ही 1 तास उभे होतो ना मॅडम. मग 1 तास आम्ही बाहेर उभे होतो ना. ही प्रॉपर गोष्ट आहे का? तुम्ही पोलिसांना बाहेर 1 तास उभं करून ठेवलंय आणि तुम्ही चुकीच्या बातम्या स्प्रेड करताय.
I need to speak to my wife. You are making trouble for yourself. I need to speak to my wife. Shamo! Shamo! Don't push my son. Shamo!
Relax.
Shamo, record this.
Wait.
Shamo, record this.
No, my God.
These are the people, they have physically assaulted me.
You.
like this. Please don't do that. Please cooperate. Then we will use
आपको
force.
पूरे लीगल राइट से आप जो करना है आप एडवोकेट को बोल दीजिए आपको पूरे लीगल राइट से लेकिन अभी आपको हमारे साथ चलना
You assaulted,
Shamo,
no?
they've assaulted.
Yes, yes. I have got that all live. That's gone live. That assault.
And this person assaulted me. I don't know his name.
Yeah. What is his
आप
name?
चलिए
Oh, आपका तो ये भी नहीं है. ये this is this.
Shamo, 1 second.
This is it. Okay, guys. Everybody see this all over India. This is the man. He doesn't have a tag.
Shamo,
He doesn't have a tag. We don't even know whether he's actually a legit police officer.
Nivedita,
Guys.
Shamo, 1 second, 1 second.
Yeah.
These people are physical. I just want to give a report before
Yeah.
going. Shamo, first of all, don't worry.
आप कोऑपरेट कीजिए
Everything will be all right. These people have entered my house and physically assaulted me today.
कोऑपरेट कीजिए
This is therefore the high-handedness of the Mumbai police.
I'll send it to the.
They came at 6 o'clock in the morning. They physically assaulted me. They pulled me out of my house. They dragged me by my belt. This person and
This
Sachin
gentleman,
Vase
this gentleman.
has entered my house illegally. and physically assaulted
Illegally
me.
they have entered. This gentleman in the plain clothes also assaulted. This gentleman in the blue shirt and plain clothes has also assaulted. And we have shown you live that entire incident.
He physically assaulted me. I want to file a case on him.
तो उसके ऊपर लीगल एक्शन लेंगे
He has
लेकिन अभी
physically
तो आपको
assaulted
चलना
me.
है। वो आप लीगल एक्शन
He
लेंगे
has physically, I want action against Sachin Vase and this person, Praveen.
Where is that Sachin Vase run out? Where has he escaped?
Who
there
physically
he is.
assaulted me.
अभी आपको चलना है।
No, physical assault is unacceptable and I have been, it cannot be done. Listen, he is an encounter cop. Listen, you please go down, I'll make arrangements. You please go down, I'll make arrangements.
You will use force. We would like to see you use force. Use force, please.
You use force, but I need
Use
to make
force.
arrangements.
You are threatening, no?
If
He
you
knows
say
the
that
law.
you're going to use force,
Please
it will
use
be
force.
shown to them.
We will show it live.
Requesting you, please
No,
cooperate.
you
with police.
assaulted, no? You assaulted. You assaulted and he assaulted.
I am requesting you now, please cooperate with us.
Well, you.
I mean, I'm requesting you very calmly.
Legal
Very
action.
calmly.
As per your request,
Now
we are
let's
standing
put it
since
down.
last 2 hours. Since last 2 hours, I am standing there.
You have physically assaulted me, I'm injured. I now need to take medical advice and back. Because of your physical assault, I am feeling unwell. So I'll take medical advice and back.
वो भी मिलेगा
नहीं, we
You
will.
assaulted me. I'm
मेडिकल असिस्टेंस भी मिलेगा लीगल एड भी मिलेगा लेकिन अभी आपको हमारे साथ चलना
जी मुझे फिजिकली असॉल्ट किया गया है इसलिए मैं और मैं कोई आई एम अ वेरी वेल अवेयर सिटीजन इफ यू फिजिकली असॉल्टेड मी आई नीड मेडिकल एडवाइस बिफोर लीविंग बिकॉज आफ्टर द फिजिकल असॉल्ट आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेल
अभी हमको चलना पड़ेगा कोऑपरेट
I need
We would like to record the physical assault.
arrangements for my family members. Please, Shamo, just record this.
Yeah, we are recording everything. We are recording. Everything is live. Everything is live.
My family to leave the room. You need to speak to my family. I want to speak to my family. I need to make
प्लीज आप लोग उनको तबीयत खराब लग रहा है प्लीज आप उनको छोड़ दीजिए
रिक्वेस्टिंग प्लीज कॉपरेट